Certainly, Paris, often referred to as the City of Light, is the capital and largest city of France. It's known for its rich history, iconic landmarks, and vibrant culture. Here's a brief description. Paris, the enchanting capital of France, is a city that epitomizes elegance and romance. Renowned for its stunning architecture, world-class museums, and culinary delights, Paris is a city that captivates the heart and soul of all who visit. The Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame Cathedral, and the Louvre Museum are just a few of the iconic landmarks that adorn the city's landscape. The charming Montmartre neighborhood offers breathtaking views of the city, while the Seine River weaves its way through, creating the perfect backdrop for leisurely strolls. Paris is a mecca for art and culture, with legendary institutions like the Louvre housing priceless masterpieces. Its streets are alive with the aroma of freshly baked croissants and the sounds of bustling sidewalk cafes, making it a culinary paradise. Join us as we take you on a virtual tour of the city's most celebrated sites and hidden gems, and uncover the enchanting allure of the City of Light. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the magic and charm of Paris with the world. Art and culture. Paris has been a hub of art and culture for centuries. It's home to the Louvre, one of the world's largest and most famous art museums, housing masterpieces like the Mona Lisa. The city also boasts many other museums, galleries, and theaters, making it a cultural epicenter. The fashion capital. Paris is a global fashion capital, known for haute couture and prestigious designers like Chanel, Dior, and Louis Vuitton. The city hosts renowned fashion events, including Paris Fashion Week. Cafe culture. Parisians have a deep appreciation for cafe culture. You can spend hours sipping coffee at a sidewalk cafe, people watching and enjoying the city's vibrant street life. A romantic getaway. Paris is often considered one of the most romantic cities in the world. Couples flock to the city for romantic walks along the Seine River, candlelit dinners, and the charming ambience. Architectural marvels. In addition to the Eiffel Tower and Notre Dame, Paris features architectural wonders like Sacre-Cœur Basilica, the Arc de Triomphe, and the Palace of Versailles. The diverse neighborhoods. Each neighborhood in Paris has its unique character, from the artistic and bohemian atmosphere of Montmartre to the trendy boutiques of La Mairie. There's something for everyone. The culinary delights. Paris offers a world of culinary experiences. Try classic French dishes like escargot and coq au vin, or indulge in delectable pastries, bread, and fine wines. River cruises. Exploring Paris from the Seine River offers a unique perspective. River cruises take you past many of the city's landmarks and provide stunning nighttime views. By historical significance, Paris played a pivotal role in history, from the French Revolution to being a center of Enlightenment thought. You can explore its historical heritage through various monuments and museums. The gardens and parks. Paris is known for its beautifully landscaped gardens and parks, including the Luxembourg Gardens and Parc des Buttes-Chaumont, providing green oases in the heart of the city. Whether you're drawn to its art, culture, history, or simply the ambience of its streets, Paris is a city that offers a captivating and memorable experience for every visitor. The beauty of Paris is a subject of endless admiration. Here are some aspects that contribute to the city's allure. Architectural splendor. Paris is a living museum of architecture. It boasts a remarkable blend of styles, from Gothic cathedrals like Notre Dame to the modernist glass facades of Ile de France. Iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and the Arc de Triomphe are celebrated worldwide. Historic charming. The charming streets of Paris are steeped in history. You can wander through cobblestone alleyways, discover hidden courtyards, and marvel at centuries-old buildings at every turn. Cultural riches. Paris is a global cultural hub. Its world-class museums, including the Louvre and Musée d'Orsay, house priceless art and artifacts. The city's theaters, opera houses, and galleries are stages for creativity and expression. Seine River. The Seine River winds through the heart of Paris, and its banks are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Strolling along the Seine or taking a river cruise offers stunning views of the city's landmarks. Gardens and parks. Paris is lush with green spaces. The Luxembourg Gardens, Tuileries Garden, and Parc des Buttes-Chaumont are just a few of the beautifully landscaped parks where you can escape the urban hustle. The nights of Paris are as enchanting as its days, and they offer a different yet equally captivating experience. Here is a glimpse into the nights of Paris. Illuminated landmarks. As the sun sets, Paris's iconic landmarks come to life with dazzling illuminations. The Eiffel Tower, in particular, puts on a breathtaking light show every evening. Seine River cruises. We invite you to experience the magic of the City of Light, a destination like no other. Paris is a timeless treasure, a place where history, art, culture, and romance converge to create unforgettable memories. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel